And then going back to what you said about side effects, does the vaccine have any side effects we should be looking out for?
Yes. So the side effects can be divided into mild, uh, mild early side effects, and then side effects that you'll get later on, and then some severe side effects. So early on, you'd expect pain at your local injection site. Um, the first few days, you might get a mild illness that what we call it a flu-like illness, but this illness probably resembles what COVID is like. So you'll get muscle aches and pains. You'll end up getting some joint pain, headache, dizziness, non-specific symptoms that will resemble COVID. Um, a few patients have gone on to get side effects that are a bit more severe or longer lasting, which have been easily treated. So those are largely the major side effects. Yeah.
Yep. So let's talk about efficacy. Is the vaccine effective in preventing COVID-19?
Yes. So the studies are quite clear on this. Both in the Australian context, Pfizer and AstraZeneca vaccines that we're using here are both highly effective in both reducing the spread of the infection as well as the severity of the illness.
So if you get the vaccine, though, you can still get the virus. Is that correct?
That's a good question. Yes, the answer to that is yes. So if I get vaccinated, can I still get COVID? I've been asked that, and then also why do I take it? How does the vaccine help in the fight against COVID? So even though you can get it, the vaccination will reduce the spread of the infection. So once you become vaccinated and you do get COVID, then your body is better suited or better equipped to fight off the infection. That reduces your viral load. So you shed less virus into the community, you're less likely then to spread the infection. So in this way, it'll reduce the spread of the infection. Also, because your body is now familiar with the infection, the severity of the illness is significantly reduced. So you end up getting less severe symptoms. You're less likely to need being in hospital. And if you do end up in hospital, then you are less likely to die. And we've got good data from other countries who have vaccinated widely to actually show us that this is the case.
So as we know, the vaccine comes out with new strains. The virus has different strains. And as it mutates, does the vaccine still protect us against the different strains?
It does. So, and there's good data to show this as well. So in countries that have now had significant outbreaks of the Delta variant, the patients that we are seeing who are still dying from COVID are now largely in the unvaccinated group. So vaccinated individuals, while they may still get infected with COVID a second or a third time, are still better protected or are less likely to die. Yeah.